If you want a chance to win these amazing cards, all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel, like this video and comment down below. When we hit the 500 subscribers, I will pick one random video and one lucky comment from that video will be the winner. Good luck to all guys! Welcome back everyone, Sinister Goblin here, how are you guys? Today we are opening a Salamence GX Dragon Majesty Special Collection Box. This box guys includes 5 Pokemon Dragon Majesty booster packs, a Salamence GX Full Art promo card, a Salamence Holographic promo card, that beautiful, huge jumbo card, of course with Salamence GX again, and that gold coin. Okay guys, let's open this beast and see what pulls we can get today. Here is guys, the Salamence Holographic promo card. Thank God it's a promo card and not an alternate artwork. Very nice. You deserve a sleeve, my friend. You can go here and somewhere here. And Salamence GX, another promo card. Very nice. Salamence GX full art card. Beautiful card guys, very nice. Also you can go in a sleeve and here. Five booster packs. The Salamence GX Jumbo card, very beautiful, shiny, full art card. You can get this code guys. And also the coin. Nice gold coin guys. Okay, let's continue to the main event now. And let's start opening some Dragon Majesty booster packs. What do you think guys for today? Can we pull the Ultra Necrozma gold card? I have hope. Let's see. 3 cards, the energy card out and 2 cards. Is something very difficult to do guys, but I have hope because it's a very small set. We getting a lot of duplicates and it's very difficult to pull a very good card. Feraligatr reverse holographic is a rare card, nice. And the last card is Blaine's Last Stand. Very nice guys. 4 more packs. Dragonite pack. Three energy, 2 cards. Wooper, Dratini, Swablu, Vibrava, Wishiwashi, Dragonair, and trainer card, Salazzle, reverse holographic. Combusken is a rare, no, just an uncommon, and the last card is Salamence GX full art rainbow rare card. Oh my god guys, very beautiful. I didn't expect that. Really, I didn't expect that, but it's amazing. Salamence GX Rainbow Rare full art card from a Salamence GX box. That is something very beautiful. Nice. Very nice guys. Salamence GX Rainbow Rare full art card from a Salamence GX box. I really didn't expect that. Come on. Where are you, top loader?
One eternity later.
Okay guys, I believe it's in. Yes, nice. Very good start. At the second pack we managed to pull that beautiful Salamence GX Rainbow Rare card and we have 3 more packs. Let's see guys. That box be the one. Let's see, you can get the code. 3 cards energy out and 2 cards. Can this box be the magic box? Let's see. Charmander, Dratini, Trapinch, Turtonator, Crocona, Milotic, Reverse Holographic, Psychic Energy. I love these cards, very nice. And the rare is Zekrom Holographic card. Very nice. We have 2 more packs, a Charizard and a Reshiram. I will leave the Charizard for last. And let's open the Reshiram pack. Three out and 2. Torchic, Wooper, Swablu, Salandit, Charmander, Fairy Flint, Willa Volcano Park is not a reverse, sorry guys, Lapras, regular, Horsey, reverse holographic, and the rare, another Blaine's Last Stand. Okay, last pack guys, last pack with a Charizard on the cover artwork, and let's see what the Charizard can bring to us. 3 cards, the energy out, and 2 cards. Feebas, first card, Wishiwashi, Vibrava, Magikarp, Jangmo, Flygon, Turtonator, Crocona, Litten, reverse holographic, and the last card for today guys is Ecomo holographic card. Okay guys, no complaints, really no complaints from today's box. Feraligatr, reverse holographic, Salamence, holo promo card, a full art Salamence GX promo card, and another Salamence GX Rainbow Rare full art card. Very beautiful guys. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like. Also, if you want to support me, you will find a subscribe button right there in this Pokeball. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. See you at the next video. Bye.